Okay, so we're going to get started with these new Zenni glasses. The first pair I'm going to show you right here are their new OptiFlex gaming glasses. Now these are super awesome. They are so lightweight, it's absolutely unbelievable, super comfortable, and these are bendy little earpieces. So the purpose of this is to be completely comfortable for long wear under like headsets and stuff. And the lenses reduce glare up to 16 times and help reduce the impact of like bright lights from your computer screens, gaming screens, whatever. And these are perfect for me because I do a lot of editing. I'm on my phone a lot, and this is what they look like on. This was their smallest size. I usually filter and go by that. These are also like a pair that was available for kids. So I really like them. They come in a bunch of colors. These are matte black. So these are the OptiFlex gaming glasses that you have right here. Now next up, these are some night driving glasses. And I love these frames so much. These help you have more contrast. They make the lights from like traffic lights and stuff less glare a lot. So these are super awesome for people who have trouble seeing at night. And also these work for me very well because, like I said, I'm on my computer a lot, and it helps with the blue light from that as well. So I'm going to try these on for you. I love these frames so much. There I go again. These were considered rectangle glasses, I believe, and they're the tortoise shell colored outline, and I love them so much. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear these like every day. And now we're going to move on to testing this Born Pretty gel remover that I got in PR. I showed this in my last video where I made the nails that I have on right now, but I didn't get a chance to try it, so I just figured we would test it out together in this video right here. So it says functional gel. I don't know, it's their magic gel remover. This is available on Amazon. I'm just going to give you a couple close-ups here so you can see the texture of this. It's like gritty, like sandy, thick type of stuff. I've never used anything like this before. I usually just like pop my press-ons off, or I would soak off with acetone. So I just pulled out these two nails that I was going to add to my nail graveyard, but I figured this would be a perfect test. This one right here, I'm just putting it directly over the top coat and everything. I'm doing like a nice thick layer. And then the other one, I'm going to buff off the top coat just to see, like, a little experiment if it makes a difference. So this was kind of hit or miss for me, but again, I've never used anything like this before. Let me know if you've used this, if I'm doing something wrong. It didn't really have straightforward directions. It didn't come with directions. So I just saw on Amazon that you're supposed to like put it on and wait 5 minutes, and like the gel polish is supposed to like blast off of the nail, like kind of like pop. So I didn't necessarily have that experience, but I'm definitely going to be trying this again some other time. So that's what it looks like on, and we're going to wait for 5 minutes and then we're going to try to remove it. And here we are 5 minutes later. Everything is pretty much looking exactly the same, so I'm going to attempt to get some of this off. I'm going to have my cuticle pusher ready. I first tried just wiping it and seeing what happens, and nothing really happened. So yeah, I'm going to have to reapply to that one and wait some more. You know, it did a little something actually now that I'm looking back at this, but just not exactly what I was expecting. You see some of the gel is scraping off, but yeah. So I'm going to have to like figure this out more, because I'm sure that it works, but there has to be an easier way. Yeah, so it did say don't let this like touch your skin and stuff, which would be kind of hard, I imagine, if you were doing this on your nails or your toenails, but whatever. Just be careful, I guess. And I'm just gonna try it on this one as well. I think it's just a bit of a slow process, but yeah. And if you're still here watching this, comment me down below some blue heart emojis so I know that you were here, and I love you guys so much. And also shout out to Born Pretty for always sending me PR and working with me. I appreciate you so much, and I love you guys. You're the best. You forever have a place in my heart because you worked with me when I had like no subscribers, and I love you guys. So we're trying again. We got our cuticle pusher. This is the one that I keep to the side for removing gel X and stuff, so it's a little bit gunked up already, so I'm not worried about ruining it. And again, not much was happening, so I reapplied again to both nails, and I'm gonna wait for about 10 minutes. And here we finally have some progress. You can see that it is starting to come off. But like I said right up there, you just have to have some patience with this, and I am the type of girl who doesn't have much patience, but as you can see, it does work. So I'm sure if you apply one more time, you would really be able to get the gel off, but I stopped there. Next, we're going to move on to these Novo Ombre Apex Gel Nail Tips. And I'm super excited to show these to you guys. I believe you get 240 pieces. These are extra long tapered square nails. They're absolutely gorgeous. So these are the pink and white ombre nails. I just pulled out a thumb size. These are super, super gorgeous. I am so thrilled about these. You literally have to do nothing and it looks like you have acrylics. And I'm just going to give you a close-up. The inside is pre-etched. It has a nice little texture in there. And you're ready to go. These are awesome. Perfect for gel X. I use them for press-ons too, but obviously gel X, press-ons, whatever you like. I sized out my nail tips. This is what they look like right here. And I can't wait to show you how these turn out. I'm just gonna give you a little comparison. Also, I have on long square apres nail tips, and I'm gonna just show you the size difference, the length difference, and I'm just showing you also right here how goddamn strong these are. Like, you cannot bend these, you will not break these. It's absolutely crazy. So I pulled out my nail stands, and I'm just gonna place them down. We're doing something so simple. I'm just pretty much top coating them and adding a charm to the thumb, and they look like acrylic nails. It's literally crazy. I can't wait to wear these. But yeah, I'm just gonna put them on here and then we're gonna get going. I did clean up my free edge, and here we go with the little comparison. So these I would consider extra long because the ones I have on are long. So yeah, you get a little bit of extra length. And if you're hard on your nails, oh my gosh, these are literally, I think, possibly stronger than the BTR box nails, which is absolutely crazy because those are some of the strongest nail tips I've ever used personally. So I'm just taking my favorite top coat, which is by Born Pretty, and I'm just doing a healthy top coat to all these babies, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds when I'm done, and then I'm going to put my charm on and top coat the charm, and literally these are so effortless, so effortless. If you wanted to do like any type of nail art on these, nail stickers, like I just love that the base coat color is done. You have a beautiful perfect ombre effect. Like, I can't get my ombre to look that perfect. It's just, these are absolutely gorgeous. They come in different colors, I believe deeper colors and stuff like that. I really hope that they come out with different nail shapes because that would just make my heart so happy. I would really like to have some coffins. I've been really loving coffin nails lately, which is weird for me. That was never really like my top favorite. It was always stilettos. I don't know, there's something about coffins lately, but I do appreciate some squares. And yeah, these are just so effortless. If you need a nail set and you get these, like, oh my god, you'll be done so fast. It's crazy. And I do highly recommend their UV solid nail gel glue. It works really good. It has really good longevity, and it is nice and non-stick, and you get a lot. It's a big container. I've talked about it before in videos. I know that I have. So yeah, we're just gonna finish doing up this part, and then we're gonna put the charm, and they're gonna be all done. I hope that this video wasn't too all over the place for you guys, but I kind of thought I would put all these 3 different PR things into one because the videos on their own would be kind of short, and I just kind of wanted to catch up because of that little week-long mental break that I took for myself. So here's 3 different things all melted into one video. These are so pretty. Oh my god, they look like acrylics. I don't do acrylics. I don't have that much belief in myself just yet. Maybe we'll get there someday soon. But yeah, I just pulled out this little charm container that I have with some things that I want to use. And I'm gonna go with the cross with the pink heart just on the thumb. I wanted to keep these super simple and just have them ready to go when I need a nail set. And I'm just testing out a couple other things, but I just do end up going with the crosses and only the crosses. So I use my McCart rhinestone glue, which I love, 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 love. Just put a bit down, put my charm down, cure, and then I top coat again. But yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I hope I wasn't too all over the place. I know I was a bit all over the place, but you know, something new, something different to try, and I wanted to show you all the new stuff that I have acquired recently. So yeah.